Vision UIP 2030, a smart, globally competitive and responsive state university. Vision UIP is committed to producing globally competent and virtuous human resources, generating advanced knowledge and developing innovative technologies for the sustainable development of society. Goals. The program prepares a student to be IT professionals who are well versed in application, installation, operation, developments, maintenance, and administration, as well as engage in the lifelong learning endeavors which are capable of contributing in research, extension, and resume generation in the field of information technology. Objectives 1. The graduate will be competent professional with integrated understanding of computer system, process, and the main body of knowledge being in the information technology field. They will be IT professionals engaged in careers such as IT specialist, web or mobile application developer, network engineer, database administrator, and system administrator. 2. Capable of engaging professional growth, competent and technology-oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities, relevant to profession which includes coming higher learning degrees or completing professional advanced training. 3. The graduate will be adaptive to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individually as a member of a leader of a team, communicate effectively and ensures social and ethical responsibilities in the community in their profession. Motto called Sapienta et Virtus and Posterum. It's called Wisdom and Virtue for the Future. Core values. I stand for innovativeness. We think and work strategically and creatively to keep upgrading our programs and our services and generate a new knowledge and skills. M stands for motivation. We are deeply driven to offer selfless service to our clients, be productive in workplace, and be focused on achieving on our goals. P stands for professionalism. We act with competence, integrity, honesty, and empathy, accord others respect, and always abide by high professional standards. E stands for excellence. We commit to demonstrating our best performance in delivering our programs and service to yield quality outcomes. D stands for transparency and accountability. We made our transaction open, known to all concerned, and are responsible and accountable for our decision, action, and outputs. U stands for unity and teamwork. We belong to one synergistic team combining our diverse skill and perspective and collaborating with other stakeholders to attain greater results. And lastly, S stands for sustainability. We remain relevant, responsive, and adaptable and resilient in times of change and uncertain towards a sustainable future. Dreams and visions within the minds of nobles, a place to say yes, to live and grow. And with wisdom and honor, molded by the society. singing victories and praises. A local circle of technique state college, a place when you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once in us, be close to every heart, not murdered race for all. Like a lightning shining armor, guiding stars, searching souls. Singing victories and praises. The local circle of techniques take college, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Please guide us with enlightened minds from the our endeavors. Need to share wherever we are. Hearts, greater hearts, be forth and throughout and enlightenment. For reaching mission. Singing victories and praises. The local circle of techniques take college, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Long live our alma mater. Long live our SPSC.